Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shaggy Crochet. Today I am bringing for you a very beautiful and an elegant collection of crochet blouse.
Halter style neckline blouses, tops, and beautiful crochet outfits, crochet cardigans,
And one slit crochet outfits,
and
combination
one
of
slip
velvet and crochet
mixing
art,
of
beautiful neckline designs, blouses, shirts, and amazing collection of handmade crochet dresses. I hope you like my video, my crochet art designs, patterns and styles. These were very useful for you, and please subscribe my channel. Click on bell icon for further videos, further information and further updates about trending fashion, trending crochet dresses, and very informative and useful videos. Comment on if you like my videos. Again and again, thank you so much for your attention and support. Thank you so much. Keep watching till the end of my video.